Hello. Today, this is my second video or presentation about stock trading basic pattern in technical analysis. So today we have already learned about the double top pattern. We will focus right now on the double bottom pattern. Those are two patterns that are complementary. It means that one is the opposite of the second one. So we get into this double bottom pattern as well. As I always say, patterns translate the feelings, the emotion of people trading the stock, a stock. So you don't know what the feeling, but you can read it into your pattern. So let's go ahead and look into this pattern. So the double bottom or bullish pattern, it is a bullish pattern. It is a double bottom, but it is a bullish pattern. So the support is horizontal or sloppy. The price bounced off the support twice. Here is the little graph that I have. We see this stock is having a downtrend. Then it stopped. This become the support. It didn't go further. It didn't go downward anymore. Then it bounced. Then it came back. Then it bounced off this again. So this is the double bottom that I am talking about. The double bottom occurs when the stock hit the support twice. And the first time it went up, but it wasn't sure. It came back again. So this green arrow is my signal entry right here. Once this stock got a reverse going up, I want to see a confirmation in the reverse. Those red candlestick came and they stop here. Then I see a green candlestick going up. This is a confirmation. I want to see a second one. This is a confirmation that my stock has stopped going down and it now going up. So this is what you want to see in the double bottom. So this is your signal point. This stock might continue going down, but at this support level it stopped. Then it starts going up. This is a double bottom. So you will ask me, what is the probability ratio? It is 75% up or 25% down. This stock could go down. It can go up too. So you have to wait and see what the stock have to do. So this is your signal point. How do you use them? How do you use a double bottom? A double bottom, you mostly use it to get in a long position. It means that the trade was going down, then you see that reversal confirmation. That is a signal to get long, to take a bullish position, right, on that confirmation. So let's look at a chart quickly so we will see. So here is the stock IAC. IAC, the stock was going downward. If you see the overall trend, it was going downward. Then it bounced off this. It stopped going down, then it bounced. Then it didn't go up further, then it stopped. It started coming down. It bounced off this support again. Then it started going up. This is the double bottom that I am talking about. This is the double bottom. The stock made this W shape. Then see how the trend went up. This is how you read the patterns in the stock market. They are really useful when you know them and when you know how to read them. Let's look at a second stock, SLGN. So this stock has done the same pattern that IAC did. The stock was up here, then it started dropping huge. Look at this huge drop. Then it stopped. We draw our support line. This was the first support. Then it bounced, went up, it dropped again. then the stock bounce off this support and start going up. So if you were watching this stock, you will be watching for a reversal. Look at the red candlestick. All these candlesticks, they were red. So you were waiting for it to start producing a green candlestick at the support. So once you see this green candlestick, excuse me, you wanna wait for a confirmation. A confirmation is what? You wanna see a second green candlestick. Then you get in a long position. You get in a long position, you might put your stop loss below here or at the support. In case the stock start dropping again, you don't want to lose more than this support. And then you ride the whole trend up. This is a swing trade that you can be in for 30 days, 40 days, and you will ride this whole trend. So mostly the double top and the double bottom, they are really good for swing trade because you get in them and you give the trade a long time to prove itself. Okay, so you don't just get in there and in few seconds. It may happen in a time frame, in a shorter time frame, 5 minutes, 2 minutes, 15 minutes as well, but it can happen also on the daily, on the weekly. So let's look at the last stock right now. It's KSS. KSS. On this stock I have both the double top and the double bottom. Look at the stock. I have shown you this in the first presentation about the double top. The stock went up, then it stopped, bounced again, drop. So the red line, the red trend line, it is my resistance. Now here's my support. The stock came down, then stopped, went up, but I didn't count these in part of the pattern. So the stock went up, then it started pulling back again, then it bounced off this, then it drops again, then it bounced off it. Look at it, exactly at the support, it bounced again, then it started going up. If you were watching this, this is your signal, this is your entry. You get in this green candlestick or the second one and you put your stop loss at the support. In case the stock drop below the support, you are out. You don't want to lose more than that. That's how you trade. And thank you for watching. I hope you have learned something in this presentation. Please hit the like button and give me some comment below. If you have any question, please post them in the comment and I will respond to you. Please subscribe to my channel and have a beautiful day.